My name is Michael Joseph, a member of Property Cayman, a boutique and dynamic real estate company in the Cayman Islands. The role of a real estate agent has changed. Our approach is dynamic and it's different, and we're doing it so that we can actually ensure that the customer's experience is 100% unexpected. We want to underpromise and overperform. We're developing, if not redefining, our approach to customer service in the real estate sector.
A home is much more than just four walls and a roof. It's a place where you can create and keep your favorite memories. To us, real estate is much more than just a transaction between a buyer and a seller. It's an investment that will affect your family, your lifestyle, and your future. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, we'll be with you every step of the way. My name is Stefan Pryor. Welcome to the family.
Our relationship with the Cayman Islands is a key part of our brand. We know and cherish each individual community for their unique characteristics and charm. We appreciate that each location has something different to offer. We don't just sell the most expensive and extravagant properties, we ensure that all our clients' needs are catered for. Since opening our doors in 2003, we have provided an unparalleled level of service to our customers and clients, performing over 700 real estate transactions to date.
Anyone can show a home. A 5-year-old can turn the lights on. That's not what a real estate agent is, and I think that's the biggest misconception out there for what we do for our clients. When we work with our sellers, we actively create the market. We don't just sit there and wait for buyers to come to us. We adopt a personal approach, and we truly do see your home as if it were our own.
The team's experience internally is such a happy one. It's not about work for us, it's about passing on the positive vibes, the good energy to ensure that the client's experiences are solid. Property Cayman, we're constantly involved in new developments, being a part of these construction sites, inspecting the communities that we've become a part of, but also helping take Cayman's property market to a whole new level.
Ultimately, when it comes to real estate, you as the client have the final choice. It's your property, your life, your decision. We're just here to make your life a little easier.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to the family.
Welcome to Property Cayman.